Ready? Start. So far as right of a hawker to transact business while going from place to place is concerned, it has been admittedly recognized for a long period. Of course, that also is subject to proper regulation in the interest of general convenience of the public, including health and security considerations. What about the right to squat on the roadside for engaging in trading business? As was stated by this court in Bombay Hawkers Union versus Bombay Municipal Corporation (1985), 3 SCC 528, the public streets by their nomenclature and definition are meant for the use of the general public. They are not laid to facilitate the carrying on of private business. If hawkers were to be considered the right claimed by them, they could hold the society to ransom by squatting on the busy thoroughfares, thereby paralyzing all civic life. This is one side of the picture. On the other hand, if properly regulated according to the exigency of the circumstances, the small traders on the sidewalks can considerably add to the comfort and convenience of general public by making available ordinary articles of everyday use for a comparatively lesser price. An ordinary person, not very affluent, while hurrying towards his home after day's work, can pick up these articles without going out of his way to find a regular market. If the circumstances are appropriate and a small trader can do some business for personal gain on the pavement to the advantage of the general public and without any discomfort or annoyance to the others, we do not see any objection to his carrying on the business. Appreciating this analogy, the municipalities of different cities and towns in the country have been allowing such traders the right to carry on trade or business mentioned in Article 19(1) of the Constitution on street payments, if properly regulated, cannot be denied on the ground that the streets are meant exclusively for passing or repassing and for no other use. Proper regulation is, however, a necessary condition, as otherwise the very object of laying out roads to facilitate traffic may be defeated. Allowing the right to trade without appropriate control is likely to lead to unhealthy competition, quarrel between traders and travelling public, and sometimes amongst the traders themselves, resulting in chokes. The right is subject to reasonable restrictions under clause (6) or Article 19. Over.